Hi guys, got a bit of an issue here with the car. So as you can see, I've tried starting it. It starts it, but this error message comes up straight away. With the error message, the front assist is not available. Adaptive cruise control is not available as well. So the only issue we have as well is when I put the hazards on. Again, there's no noise. There's no seatbelt noise at all. Car does start, no issues with that. It's just that's the only issue with the car. Gonna get it sorted out now. Got this little plastic trim off now. Now I just need to move this, and the digital should just come out as it is, with a few wires to be moved. Here we are, plastic trim has now been removed. Just need to now yank it out of this. Need to be very careful as the module behind is quite sensitive. So give me a few and I'll be back. Guys, after struggling, finally managed to get the digidash just about unhooked. Now I need to get rid of the sound cluster and fit the new part in. Here we go guys, finally. This shit's not easy. Finally, this is the list of shit that needs to get changed. And I will show you the brand new part that I've got. Here we are guys, brand new part, straight from eBay. Quite expensive for a very small part. Just need to replace the modules now. Here we are with the old one. Time to take this out and put the brand new one in. Here we are, brand new one just put in. Time to fit this bad boy. Alright guys, digital dash back inside. Time to now test it to see if it actually works. Let's see now if the error code has actually gone. Bang. There we go. Absolutely brilliant. Indicator's making a noise and we're back to square one. Brilliant. Here we are guys, plastic trim back on now. Job done. Brilliant. Let's just whack this there. Job's a good one. One more time, start up so you can all see. Here we are. No error codes coming up. Brilliant. Adaptive cruise control back working. There you go, you can see the bottom. Back to it. Soundboard's working again. Good job.